Hello guys, this is Sam here. I'm going to be talking about a bit of an update on my portfolio, which I haven't done lately. I haven't done a video in a while. A lot has happened within my portfolio. A lot of change has happened. I personally think it's been a good decision that I've made. I did actually own two stocks in my portfolio, but now I've drawn it down to just one company only, and that is HIMS and Hers. Now, before I address my thoughts on HIMS and what's been going on lately, I want to talk about the company I did sell. I did actually sell my position in Canoe. Now, Canoe is a company I think is going to be great in the future, but yeah, end of the day, guys, when you're investing, it comes down to financials, and I understand it is a long-term investment, Canoe, but they do have a lot of debt on their hands now. They did lose the VDL contract. Um, that was a sort of last drawing line for me because I thought to myself, they're against the clock at this point. They were set to have their production started and whatnot, and it hasn't really gone to plan. And with the opportunity like Hims and Hers, I mean, this is a company that does actually make revenue. Their market cap keeps going down, the business metrics keep going up, the revenue, they're beating guidance, and they keep collaborating with getting collaboration partnerships with companies likes of Uber, Amazon, Walgreens, and yesterday we got some news that they're going to be um, having some of their products, their hair care products, in the likes of Walmart, online and in store. Not all of their stores, but some of their stores. I believe it was 1,800 stores or 1,400. Don't take my word on that. It's one of them. Um, but yeah, I mean, the company, it's been doing really well, but the stock itself has just been going down. I don't know why this is. There's many reasons. I mean, the interest rates and stuff like that. People, the Feds are looking to raise them and stuff like that. It's going to affect companies, small cap companies, all different types of companies. But Hims and Hers don't have no debt on their balance sheet, so this is a positive. And I don't think a lot of people understand that. Um, Now, I've always liked Hims and Hers. I have made a couple mistakes while investing in Hims and Hers. I did start investing around the $20 range, which looking back now, it was a bit of a stupid move. But back then, I didn't really understand the market as much as I do now. I didn't understand. I was just looking at Hims and Hers and looking at what they're doing, and I wasn't looking at the actual financials itself and looking at the market cap and how much they were making. I was just looking at the company itself and where they're going. And I thought, yeah, this is going to be a great long term investment for myself. Luckily enough, I didn't invest a lot of money back then, but as we were going down, I educated myself a bit more on Hims and Hers and just the stock market in general, and I learned a lot since then. Um, and I believe Hims and Hers is undervalued. I mean, this is a company that's pulling in 263 million this year, hopefully, Q4 for 2021, the whole of 2021. Yes, we ain't profitable as of now, but I definitely think we can become profitable. I've watched a lot of YouTubers go in deep dive analysis on the financial to company, and they are spending a lot of money on marketing and stuff like that. But that's expected, guys. They're trying to grab as much market share as they can within the industry and stuff like that. So this is at a growth phase, guys. So you have to take that into consideration. They could definitely become profitable, I think. But we're going with the flow of things. I believe in the management team. They've done really well. This is a company that was founded in 2017. I believe in November 2017, and yet we're at year 2022 now, and they're pulling 264 million. Uh, Obviously, we have to wait for the financials, the Q4 financials to come through, and then we can obviously understand how much they've made this year. But that is a lot of growth. We're growing 70 to 80% year on year, or within the last year, sorry, and that's great. Now, analysts have them at a 35% growth rate, I believe, for next year. I believe we'll outdo that with the partnerships we've got. We just keep on expanding, and hence why I've been buying more. I mean, I sold my position in Canoe. As of now, I have 4,630 shares in Hims and Hers with an average price of $7.76. Um, I wish I could have been a bit more patient, but as soon as I kept on seeing this stock go down, I mean, at one point we went down like I don't know how much percent, but we were at like $5.56 a couple weeks ago, and I bought heavily on Hims. I thought we couldn't go any lower than that, but obviously I've been proven wrong. And as of now, I'm still, trying to buy as much as I can when I can. One thing that would have benefited me now if I had more cash aside. So this is a lesson learned for myself to always have cash as sorry about that to always have cash aside for moments like this. Um, So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on averaging down. I think, they've also got their app coming through as well. I believe it's accessible for some customers as of now in America. I like the look of the Hims and Hers app. I believe I done a video on that. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But definitely check it out. It actually looks really cool. Not gonna lie, it does look really nice and clean, and it just suits the brand, And that's what I like about Hims and Hers is the way they market themselves, the way their brand. It's a proper core brand, um, and I like that about Hims and Hers. So yeah, guys, just give me a little update on what you guys think on Hims and Hers. Do you think, like, what's going to happen within the next year? Do you really think this is going to be a stock that can shoot higher than $10 to $15 in the long term, or what? Or what's your thoughts on the company itself? Um, Other than that, guys, I thought I'll just give you guys an update. Of course, I am a bit sad that I've had to sell my Canoe shares, but you know, they lost their VDL contract, and there's a lot of other things you have to take into consideration. They do have a lot of debt on their balance sheet that only lasts so long. And if they don't get any pre-orders out or production started, then they're going to have to obviously sell some shares, and that will dilute shareholders, which won't end up very well for the likes of myself if I'm invested. Um, and I think Hims and Hers is in a better position. They're actually making revenue, high number revenue. Of course, Canoe is a very cheap valuation compared to the other EVs, but at the end of the day, guys, it comes down to the financials of a company. And um, I think Hims and Hers, out of all the companies that I did own, I owned a bit of some shares in Desktop Metal, which I think is a great company as well. But their financials wasn't the best. They do have debt on them, the same as Volt Charging. At the end of the day, guys, an investment comes down to the financials. How much money they're making? Are they profitable? Obviously, Hims and Hers is not profitable as of yet, but I do believe, from my research, from other YouTubers that I've watched, that talked that spoke about Hims and Hers, they've definitely said that they believe that they can become profitable. The only problem is they are spending a lot of money on marketing and stuff like that, but that's expected because they're trying to grow, and they're trying to grab um, as much market share as they can. I mean, their company is mainly a subscription business, so if you can get a subscriber on there, that person can be there for as long as they want. They can be there for their life, for their whole lifetime using Hims and Hers. So that's the great power of Hims. Um, so yeah, guys, I'm very happy with what's going on. Of course, it would be better if the stock goes up, but if it doesn't, we will have to keep on buying shares. I'm actually down. Let me check now. I believe it's 38%. I'm down 38% as of now. So it would be much better if I had more shares, more money besides, so I could buy more. But I'm buying as much as I can when I can, with the right opportunity. So yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this video, and yeah, peace. Much appreciated for watching.